So the common denominator between 2 and 4 is going to be 4. So if I multiply both sides by that common denominator, 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so we're just left with k plus 3 on the right side. So if we use the distributive property, we're going to have 2k minus 2 is equal to k plus 3. Here, you know what? I want a positive variable term, so I'm going to move the k over to the left side. I'm going to move my negative 2 over to the right side. So we have 2k minus k is equal to 3 plus 2. And we're going to be left with k is equal to 5. Alright, so this one, it's kind of a slightly trickier version of the previous one. We've got our fractions, but they're in front of a set of brackets. But we're going to take the same approach. We're going to find a common denominator. So if you aren't sure, the easiest way to do this is to list the multiples of that number. So if I count by 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If I count by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. As soon as you have a common number, the lowest common number is the number you want to use. So here 12 is our lowest common denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. Okay, so 12 times 2/3. Now, you can just enter that in your calculator, 12 times 2/3, or since multiplication and division, you can kind of change it and do it in whatever order you like. You can do 12 times 2 divided by 3, or 12 divided by 3 times 2. Either way, you're going to end up with 8 on this left side. And here we're going to end up with 3 on the right side. So now if we distribute those numbers into the brackets, 8q minus 24 is equal to 3q plus 21. Almost done here, so I'm going to take my q's, move them over. I'm going to take my constants, move them over here. Same reason again, I want a positive q. No other real reason here, I just kind of prefer it that way. So we have 8q minus 3q is 21 plus 24. 5q is 45. We're almost done. And our q is equal to 9. So if we needed to, we could take any of these 4 answers, sub them back into the original equation, and do a left side, right side check. If our left side and right side are equal, give yourself a little pat on the back, give yourself a little smiley face. Good work. Keep the questions coming in. I'm going to try to make more videos as the week progresses. See ya.